Stop living with your back pain and start living a life you love again. How could you ignore cervical pain? Well, you know neck pain can be a symptom of more serious problem. Shoulder pain is the worst symptoms as it cripple you. Heal your pain without drugs and surgery for your better life. Try chiropractor, physiotherapy, dry cupping, needling, rehabilitation. From experienced and senior Dr. Nadeem and his qualified staff. If you want to get rid of your musculoskeletal problems, then your choice must be Force Physiotherapy Services. In Cheftai Medical Center, Kokar Chowk, Johor Town. For queries and appointment, call 0092 322 410 3544.